Today I want to present you a groundbreaking new concept in cleaning, the new Drier 3512. This machine allows you to clean very efficiently and get into places where other machines can't reach. The reason for this is the turnable brush head, which provides new levels of control and direction. It is very easy to operate and feels a little bit like driving a car. The brush head can be turned totally around, so the operator can also clean backwards if there is not enough space to turn the whole machine. The brush and squeegee is always pointing in the right direction. This is very unique for machines with roller brushes. It works with 100% of the working width, even in sharp turns, and the squeegee picks up the water properly. The design of the Drier 3512 allows it to be driven away from walls at 90 degrees. This is very important to clean narrow areas even more efficient. The color coding simplifies the operation. Yellow for operating, gray for maintenance. A new battery technology is used. The lithium-ion battery has 3 times more lifetime. It is very lightweight and makes the machine quite easy to move over steps or put in a car if needed. The eco-efficiency operation mode makes the machine quieter and allows longer running times. For transport, the handle can be folded down, so the machine is even more compact. To drain the dirt water, the tank can be removed in 1 second and you have one hand free to open doors. Innovation is driven by customer demand. Now, cleaning floors was never so easy and efficient.